Guys, welcome back in this drill. Today I'm going to share with you another best way you can earn the cryptocurrency from this website. This website name is ACryptoBTC, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this website. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website link available in description. You can claim any cryptocurrency you want every 5 minutes. If you want to claim like a Litecoin, just click claim and put your email address of your faucetpay in here and just click login. Okay, after login you can claim your faucet, any faucet you want. You can claim this in no way to do it, just putting your email address and login, and after every 5 minutes just put uh, the capture in here, and you can easy just solve this capture. It's not too hard to you think. Just an airplane, just click the airplane available in the picture and just click verify and just click verify again, and you can see this website pay you your amount, and you can watch the short links to earn amount. Okay, if you watch this short links you can earn 2000 satoshi. Just click it and you go to watching. Okay, you can watch this short links is pay you 2000. It's too easy. Just click solve a capture. Okay, first of all solve the capture and just click here to continue, and 2 or 3 times click because this show you some pop-up ads. Just close that pop-up ads, and this is 10-second timer. After that is generate a link. You can click the link and go to another page, or maybe go in the first page to you can just click continue and click here for the download link, and this is the last time. Maybe it's just a 10 second. I pause the video after 10 seconds. I come back because the loading is a little bit time get timer. About that I just come back after 10 seconds. Okay, the timer is up, and just I click it the link. Okay, you can see I received 2000 pins and Satoshi, and I received to my faucetpay. I go to faucetpay to show you I receive it or not. Okay guys, now you can see I receive my this to pay me instantly to my faucetpay. You can see a crypto Litecoin pay me this much, and the short link I complete this much pay me. And if you want to make much more money, just click here in faucet. You can claim any faucet you want. This is the one of the best part from this website. You can claim any faucet. You can see I can claim much more Solana from here, because Solana price, and the much more days ago this Solana blow every people mind. Okay, I go to Solana. Okay, I go to the price. The price will be touch the sky right now. This is very low price, and for maybe one day this is going very high, and 7 days lowing. In the past 3 months you can see this Solana at the base part, and 1 year ago the Solana go to 250, and this is the one of the base. Okay, you can easily make Solana. Right now the Solana is the lowest. Okay, the lowest in here, the last year, putting in the last year. Okay, right, the Solana go this much high, and that's the best way you can easily claim Solana or Litecoin. For my opinion, if you want to claim, you claim Solana from this website, and that's the best way. From this website you can easily solve any short link you want with any cryptocurrency you want. Okay, if I claim with the Solana, this website pay me this much Satoshi, And if I want to claim like a Dogecoin at this website, pay me this much Satoshi of the Dogecoin every short links I claim. And if I claim like a Torin, I can earn this much Satoshis. And if I claim Digibyte and I claim this much Digibyte, or you can claim Fura too, you can easily claim it. And that's the base part, you can claim Bitcoin too. And anyone you want you can pick from here and you can easily claim. I claim Litecoin because for me as a Litecoin is the base, and you can claim Ethereum if you want. You can claim much more Ethereum from here too. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here. You can easily make more than $1,000 per day from this website. That was 100%. Just put your wallet address or faucet wallet address. Just put it and you can easily making much more money. You can see I claim Solano again. This website pay me Solano, but every 5 minutes you come back and claim. You claim one cryptocurrency like a short link because you choose one cryptocurrency and you solve the all short links they pay you. And you can claim one coin for every 5 minutes. Okay, and thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself, and bye bye for now.